Hey everyone, this is the end of London session on Monday and welcome to the next review. I was looking at overall market sentiment and I had EuroCAD that is really bullish intraday and bullish daily, as you can see, 60 to 80%. So I checked the charts and the more advanced screener shows like everything green, so reaccumulation on 1 hour confirmed, as you can see, 2 hours, 4 hours, 12 hours, and 1 day all is green. 15 minutes are only 15 minutes are bearish, but maybe they are now no, they are actually bullish because it's a not confirmed redistribution, and as you can see, last blocks were all bullish. So let's have a look how it looks on daily. So on daily, so let me just clean it up. On daily, we have just a classical upward moving structure with this really nice ICI. Then one more impulse correction and impulse in the development on daily. On 4 hours it's the same, but just we see some reaccumulations like here and here. 1 hour is even more detailed, so we have impulses, a longer correction with impulses, corrections, and overall supporting structure all moves to the upside. Then recently impulse, correction, and possible impulse to the upside to take out these highs. So that was on 2 hours. On 1 hour the same, 30 minutes bullish. Yes, this price action is not that clean, but more detailed outlooks are showing. But I don't know why 15 minutes is showing redistribution, to be honest. It's a bit weird. Oh yeah, now I see it's from here, like the bearish, now bullish. But because of how bullish these ranges actually are, it's much more bullish at the moment. So we have this break, then this absorption here, and a possible new move to the upside. And on 5 minutes we just have a clean impulse correction. Like this is almost not visible, so just bigger impulse correction, and in anticipation of a new break of this longer range, we enter. And the price started just playing around a bit, formed this tightness here, and then went to the upside actually. Then rejected near the take profit once, then second time, and then eventually reached the take profit. Then went a bit higher, created this pullback, and now it's probably going to move even higher. One more trade that I had is on your GBP USD. It's also bullish on like specific MBA block count and models, as you can see, and basically the same on sentiment, how it looks on the chart. So daily, coming out of accumulation after a structure SND confirmation and one more impulse possible correction, impulse correction and possible impulse to the upside on 4 hours upwards moving structure. So the situation is somewhat similar to EuroCAD. 15 minutes just bullish, not the clearest entry, but 5 minutes, as you can see in the moment of the entry. So the problem here, there is actually no problem here. So we have like this impulse correction and impulse. Don't know. The problem here is maybe this pattern is not as clean as this one. You see, you have impulse correction, impulse correction, impulse. So this one is really really nice, and you don't have, before this pattern, you don't have this unclear price action, so you have really nice foundation. Yeah, but here it's a bit more unclear. But I entered there, it went a bit to the take profit, then stopped me out. went to the deeper parts of the range, and then moved up almost to take profit, and then moved down. So this was my loser, and I had an idea for EuroGPY, for USD based on this recent down moving structure, as you can see, and the idea was to take out this low. But I just know that overall we are not so clear on USD as you can see, for a long time. However, this idea would have worked, so I had this not the clearest impulse correction, and I was looking to sell somewhere here. So this is basically a forward test. One more good example of the possible trade was US 500 and US 100. So let's check who is the cleaner one. Probably this one. So all the stocks are right now moving in this upwards structure, as you can see, with impulse correction, impulse correction, impulse correction into structure S&D confirmation, into impulse correction, and so on. So expecting to run on this high. 15 minutes really not clear. However, 5 minutes created on the London Open this really nice push, correction, impulse, correction, and impulse. So this was an example of maybe B plus A quality setup, and the same thing on US 500. So today is probably the day 19 of my roof owing challenge current. Feeling okay. I'm really sure that it was all possible only because of the new tools that I'm using, drawdown limiter and trade manager, which links to which you can find in the descriptions. One of them is affiliated, the other one is not, but I just truly believe they are really useful. And in the mental workout playlist, I guess you will find the references to them and more detailed outlook. And this is my current equity curve, so hopefully this is a start of something like this, but we will see. See you in the next one. Bye. Trade well, have a good day.